Let's eat. We're gonna eat already. No, you don't wanna eat yet? Okay. Wanna dance more? Oh, okay.
Galing ng paminta.
Kakain na kami.
Can I taste the pasta?
After that wonderful opening number ng Zumba. Aqua Zumba sa pool. Magpupunta na kami sa room namin kasi sobrang init na sa labas.
We got a hotel, motel, playa, sweet town.
This is our room. Room tour. Yep.
Room tour.
Living room. Nice.
So this is our room, guys.
Bathroom.
Room.
Room for the kids.
What is this one?
Our room. Whichever. That's it. Ito yung view from our sala. Yun, sakto. Beach view. Nice. And then this is the veranda.
Woo. Good morning, my citizens! Citizens! Should be our sons.
Okay, papahinga muna kami saglit. So medyo nakapagpahinga na kami. After 2 hours, lalabas kami to buy some stuff, water, drinks, and also some snacks for the kids. Then later on, lalakad kami sa labas, papasyal-pasyal, and then kakain ng dinner. What can you say, Kuya, about the beach front?
Good.
How about you, Ollie? Did you have a good sleep?
Ito nag-delay nung ano natin, labas ng tutulog si Girly.
Okay, lalabas na kami maya-maya. Sana.
So where are you going now?
We're going to a grocery store to buy some water and drinks and snacks. So nakapag-decide namin lumabas dahil mainit. Ayaw namin lumabas. So namin sa aircon lang, pero to explore the surroundings, kailangan namin lumabas. So lalabas na kami. Diretso.
Masarap naman yung hangin. Parang hindi naman siya, kahit nakakapaso yung araw, mahangin siya.
So no one's holding that? Empty.
So we decided na punta lang ng Carrefour para mas maraming choices. Camera shy si Girly. Iyakin.
Baby.
Alright, Kuya. Wanna be carried? Oh, don't cry, okay? Pabuhat ka ng pabuhat, ha? Hindi ka lalaki. Ha? Later, okay?
Ayun na baby, oh, malapit na tayo. Later ha, you will walk. Naka-on pa. Ay, Diyos ko, ang init. So the best dad award goes to And hindi na lang meron ako ditong best friend in his football clothes era. There. So, pogi naman my boy. Picture. So, punta kami dun sa
So I got
Carrefour.
this bag for my mom.
Yeah.
And that's a bit.
We're teaching him to be a responsible kid. To carry all the mabibigat. I got you. I did not get pasta eh. I get chicken. Do you want rice?
What do you have, Kuya? What do you have? Pizza?
Okay, what juice do you
And what else? What's that?
Pineapple, apple, orange.
Don't know chicken nugget.
What?
Chicken egg.
Orange juice. One to taste the fish olive. So yummy. Kuya, wanna taste the fish? Try the fish.
So, nakabili na kami ng mga things that we need. Now, dinner kami.
There's also matcha.
Okay, let's cheers. Happy summer! So, how's the food? Busog?
Busog.
Busog.
Ang dami na. Sinulit yung buffet.
O, tas lang namin kumain.
Magwa-walk na kami ngayon sa beach.
Magtutunaw kami ng kinain and then baka kumain ulit mamaya. De, joke lang. Mag-ikot-ikot lang sa around the playa. Ano ba yan? Alam mo kung ano ibig sabihin na playa?
Playa.
Ah, playa ba? Playa.
Playa yun yung ano, yung bitter.
Anong bitter?
Yung bitter. Yung pagkain, yung ulam.
Ah, playa.
Ang playa ba yun? Ang playa.
So we decided na magstay na lang dito sa beach kasi dahil dito. Ayan. We're just gonna stay here up until magsawa tong mga to.
Can I hold it? Can I replay?
Is it cold, Kuya?
Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy. Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's peachy. Can we just skip?
Why? You scared Kuya, okay?
Good morning. Medyo na-late ako sa sunrise pero okay lang. Tatakbo ako. I will look around along the coastline and then babalik ako para to pick up the kids and para makapag-breakfast and to go outside as well. Let's see. Bye. Sila Rizal nauna na sa breakfast. Ako, lagay ko yung gamit namin dun sa mga cottages. Mamaya kasi mainit. Mahirap maghanap ng upuan. Churros and chocolate. Where's Kuya?
I don't know.
Where's Kuya? Ayun. Ay, ganun ni Oli ah. One more. Wow, kicking. Wow. Ikaw, Yab, kick ka nga. Combo! You want to do that, Ollie?
Reminiscing the good old days. Remembering to forget all the bad times. I remember.
Hi guys, we are here in Spain, and we are swimming in the pool, and then later we're gonna go to the. Are you having fun, Baba? What do you like about our vacancy?
Sleeping on the bed. And swimming.
Sleeping on the bed.
And swimming.
Yeah, because you sleep so long, ah.
And I love swimming.
And do you like the weather?
Yeah.
How is the weather for you?
Great.
Is it too warm or it's okay? But yesterday you wanted me and Daddy to carga you. Oh, why?
Because I was tired.
You're tired. And it was super warm. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend to have a cannibal. Want to see?
Okay. Bye guys.
Bye.
This girl is feeling hot. Si Pakarga.
Buhat.
Si Buhat. Yan, si Kuya kasama niya yung kanyang mga newfound friends. Pupunta sila doon sa isang thing na yon. Parang parkour and everything. Gustong gawin ni Kuya yan.
Parkour in the middle of the sea.
Yes. Only brave people can do that. So that's not me.
Saan kami pupunta?
So they're setting up Kuya and Dad.
Kala mo ilang pala papunta no? Kala ko may maghahatid.
Talaga ba? Ala.
You have a road there to take.
Alangoy na kami. Mamaya ulit. Yeah, that's the line. Pull yourself. You can use the line.